So moving on. Compilation, creating executables. So instructions, number one, let's compile and execute our program. Run the ls command in the terminal. You see the uncompiled.java file, press green check with button. Compile the file after the terminal. So it's going to be javik compiling.java. Let's run that. Ls command again. Run the executable Java file from the terminal. So that's going to be Java compiling. Okay. And there as compiled. Program is fun. Let's check the work there. Move on. Right, so Java review, putting it all together. Instructions number one, the text editor holds an empty file named review.java. Fill it in. Define a public class named review. Use opening and closing curly braces for the scope of the class. Remember, no semicolons for classes or methods. Alright, so we're going to start off with the class. Review. Okay, so number two, this code produces an error because Java programs need a main method. Define the main method within the curly braces. Right, so that's going to be public static main. String box. Let's see curly braces. Okay, so number three, inside of the curly braces for the main method, write the main method executes the tasks of the class as a single line comment. Okay, so the main method executes tasks of the class. Run that. Number four, below the comment, write a statement that prints the following: my first Java program from scratch. Okay. System out. Fine. So I should use print line or print. I'm just going to use print first. Program. Scratch. Alright, let's move on.